Study secrets straight-A students never told you. Ever wondered what it really takes to ace every class? Get ready to dive into the untold truth that top students swear by. Hey there, aspiring scholars. Ready to unveil the hidden secrets of straight-A students? Here we go. 1. The struggle is real. Achieving straight A's isn't a walk in the park. It takes tons of hard work, dedication, and yep, some sacrifices. Believe it or not, even the top students battle stress, anxiety, and burnout. Sometimes they have to say no to social activities, hobbies, and even precious sleep to stay on top of their game. 2. It's not always about intelligence. Surprise. High grades don't always mean someone is a genius. Many straight-A students succeed because they've nailed down effective study habits, mastered time management, and know killer test-taking strategies. It's all about working hard and putting in the effort to shine academically. 3. Perfectionism can be harmful. Perfectionists, listen up. Striving for perfection in every subject can lead to sky-high expectations, harsh self-criticism, and a crippling fear of failure. It's important to remember that perfectionism can take a toll on your mental health and overall well-being. Aim for progress, not perfection. 4. Comparison is toxic. Constantly comparing yourself to others? Straight-A students know this game all too well. They might feel inadequate or insecure and often keep their achievements on the down low to avoid making others feel bad. Remember, comparison is the thief of joy and can really zap your motivation. Focus on your own journey. 5. Balance is key. Balancing straight A's in life is a tricky tightrope walk. Top students might not always admit it, but finding a healthy balance between school, social life, and self-care is essential. Prioritize your mental health, relationships, and personal growth alongside your academic goals. You've got this. As you can see, by following these tips, you will be able to be a straight-A student without sacrificing your well-being. Embrace these secrets, and you'll be well on your way to academic success and a balanced life. Alright friends, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Studying Machine for more exciting tips and tricks. Keep learning and stay awesome. See you in the next video.